Have you found affiliate marketing to be difficult? Most people get into business to make more money with less time, right? When I started, I lost a lot of money and time trying to get affiliate sales. Then one day, I realized it's easier to do affiliate marketing if you profit while building your list. It's even easier to profit if you get paid for clicks inside your list building funnel. So I went to work and found a winning funnel that profits every time. I found a way to build my list while getting paid by Google all at the same time. Sounds crazy, right? First, you can start without any list. You can profit from paid traffic and scale up. You can start with free traffic and free tools. The secret is to get paid just for the clicks in your funnel. It's a lot easier than getting affiliate sales. Wouldn't you agree? So generating sales is a gamble, while generating clicks is profitable. Join me today, and I will teach you how to get paid for clicks by Google and build your list all at the same time. You'll also get affiliate sales, but there's no pressure because Google will pay you even if you don't get sales. This is the only way that I know how to get a guaranteed ROI from paid traffic. This leaves me lots of free time to do whatever I want, and I can scale it up as much as I want without spending more time. Does this interest you? It should. Everyone can use more time and more money. With this in mind, I invite you to join me to see how you can do this. But make sure to act fast before the price increase. After this launch period, the price will go up on this training. So take action today, and I will see you on the inside.